Umendri rangba Konrad ke sangma haka jingbun kam ula sei borba ela kabut kabor hagi ni ki khendiat tayo dakaba ula le jingo ikishnong ba pher haki tha nongkondong kiba ha East Khasi Hills, Jantia Hills, Ribhoi, West Garo Hills bat kiwei ki district. Haka arpu tarik jemang umendri rangba ula hiarsha jirang ban le jingo dala ki jong ki khman ya ki jinglong jingman jong ki shnong haka ni kathan. Ulale jingo ru eka Garo LP School kabadon Hanong Spung Jirang kabala seng bat sedang nadu kasnam kat kendai spa hinyo po hunriu. Kani ke school keladon kam ban maramot namar kayat lenti buon senam bat kelas sedang ban jot ban pay ban yadai ki khnarit ha kani kaliur ban wan. Lasen ran yo menteri rangba do ba Sostinus Sotun MLA bat kiri rangba na Jirang. Daka jingkemen lap diang burom me kini kinong elam da kinong hikai ki kena skol bat kilong kumi long pa nasionong nong spong Jirang. Umentri rangba ula kular ban maramot ya kanika skol bat ban kentiu ya ka syaki kerdan ki bakham hajrong.
We are here in Jirang area in Nongspung A village, and this is part of my tour today of Jirang area along with our honorable MLA. And we're visiting some of the areas and schools and villages just to meet the people and to understand different challenges that they're facing. Here in Nongspung A village, as you can see behind me, there is a LP school and an SSA UP school. And a lot of challenges are there because the building is in a very bad condition. And therefore, along with the Honorable MLA, we have decided to work together and provide them in a phase-wise manner new infrastructure, and I've promised that. So along with my CMSDF scheme, along with whatever support from the MLA, as well as from the SSA scheme, we will try and build up this infrastructure in a phase-wise manner at the earliest. Apart from that, of course, which I always have been doing, I believe that the students should be engaged in extracurricular activities. So we have also promised them some music instruments and sports equipments. Some of them I brought along with me this time, so I have handed over one small acoustic guitar, and I was so happy to see one of the youngsters, in spite of not having any access to any instruments, he still was able to pick up and play the different keys, and it's very encouraging, and I hope that I'll be able to give them more opportunities by providing them better equipments, music equipments in the future. But it is very nice to be here today. This is my first visit ever to this part of the constituency and this part of the state, and I can see that there are a lot of challenges. We may not be able to resolve everything in one go, but hopefully our visit will at least give some relief and we'll be able to do some good for the people living in this area. Thank you. Government schools, government LP schools, government UP schools were given no fund. It is only when our government came, I was given application. I mean, I was given a presentation, and they said it's going to cost 3,000 crores to repair all the government LP schools, government UP schools, government secondary, government high secondary, and government colleges. 3,000 crores. So I don't know what to do, where to start. But then I said, let's start somewhere, and that's when I started repairing the schools, LP schools. Today, after 7 years, we have finally managed to finish most of the schools. Another 300 are left now. My point being that the reason why the officers had to... Jangan disabingin, hai. Dia dapat apa? Wah, ya. Git berkowe, git ke bahai, git ke bakna na hai.